Alright YouTube, I'm trying something that I honestly don't know how to do. This is the fender off the left side of my little BN. I've actually been hacking at it a little bit. It's supposed to be pretty straight across the bottom. I had a big bow in it right in here. And between me and a fellow I work with who does a little body work on the side, he kind of told me how to start. He also took sandblaster at school and cleaned it up so we could see how smooth the metal was. It looks pretty pitted, and it's a little pitted, but I've got a crease up here that was related to this bend. It came off the mount and came up and back down a little bit out of straight here, and had a little crease right here, and he kind of helped me with that at school. I've beat on it here a little bit, but he has loaned me a body hammer, and I had to look it up. I can't remember what the other tool there is called. I'm going to spend a little time here hacking at this crease a bit and working on these dents here. And I'm not YouTube fancy enough to have a good mount and all that stuff. It's getting dark out here too, so I'm gonna show you all this before and see how this works. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so we're gonna see how this works. He asked me if I wanted him to help me more with it, and I said no, I'm gonna try it, and then when I mess it up, I'm gonna come back and let you fix it. So let's see how this works out. Alright YouTube, I'm back. I've put about an hour or so of not having any clue what I'm doing into this. My crease is about gone. I highlighted another one right up above it, but it's not too bad. I'm sure that once I get all this paint off of here, this is going to look as wavy as a rough ocean, but I got a little bit of a low spot, a little bit of a high spot. It's straighter than it's been in a long time. I've worked a lot of these dents that were up here out. I obviously still got a few I need to hack at, so I think I about got that at least as good as I'm going to get it. I can't really get behind right here because of the band on the back here, but got the fender fairly straight. When I lay it down, it's got a little puff up in the middle, but not a whole lot. I'm not real sure how much it's supposed to have. I don't want to get too much of that cut out of it, if it's got to have a little bit in it. But although the paint's missing off of it, that looks awful, but I can still feel parts of that crease. There's a streak right in here. I feel pretty good. It pretty much goes away here, and like a little bit right in there. So I don't know. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. I took a 20-minute crash course with a fellow I work with during my planning period earlier this week. Borrowed some tools and giving it a try here. A low spot there, high spot next to it, but it's been kind of interesting. My assumption is that automotive body metal, well, maybe in 1941 it was, but it's not quite this thick now. It's actually a real chunk of steel. But that's it. Thanks for watching. I want to packet this a little bit more in a day or two and let y'all see what I get it to. Maybe we'll get it cleaned up and repainted here one day. Thanks YouTube. See you next time.